Hi everyone, and welcome back. We are continuing our walkthrough of FitTracker, and in this video, we will take a closer look at the import and export functions. We are back in the athlete's account, and this time we will go through each page that supports importing data from Excel or LibreOffice and exporting to PDF in more detail. Let us start with Training Calendar. Here you can export your training schedule to PDF. Select the month you need using the month selector and click the Export button. The downloaded document displays 3 months, the selected month and the 2 following months, with all marked training days, ready for printing or offline viewing. Now let us move to Training Month Plan. We will start with the import function and look at the PDF export after the import is done, so you can see the results straight away. To import a training program, use the Import button. This button is available in each training week individually, meaning import is done week by week, not for all training weeks at once. After clicking Import, the first modal window opens. Here you can select and upload your own Excel or LibreOffice file with a training program right away, or you can click File Format and Templates to download a ready-made blank template with the correct column and row structure for a guaranteed successful import. Templates are available in 2 formats, XLSX and ODs, in 8 languages. I will now select and upload a file with a test training program. After selecting and uploading the file, click Next. The second modal window opens showing the column mapping, how the columns in your file correspond to the import fields in the training week. If you are using a template downloaded from File Format and Templates, no adjustments are needed here. If you are using your own custom file, you may need to manually map the columns using these fields. Then click Load into Week and the data from your file is imported into the training week. One important note, the import function reads data exclusively from the first sheet of the Excel or LibreOffice file. The first sheet is this one here in Excel and this one in LibreOffice respectively. I will now repeat the same process for another training week, and then we will move on to the PDF export for Training Month Plan. I have now created 2 training weeks for our training cycle. The athlete will be using periodization with a light week and a heavy week. Now let us download the PDF for printing, offline viewing, or sharing. Click the PDF button and you get a file with the tables of both training weeks. One important note, all training programs in these videos are examples for demonstration purposes only. I do not recommend using them for actual training. They were put together quickly just to demonstrate the functionality of the application. Now let us move to Workout Progression Tracker. This page also supports both import and export functions. Let us start with import. The import function becomes available after adding a new training week. It allows you to import exercises directly from the training plan page, so you do not have to fill in all the exercise fields manually. To do this, click the Import from Plan button. In the modal window that appears, select the month and the training week you need from the list and click Import. After that, all the exercise name fields will be filled in automatically. Note that only the exercise names are imported. You still need to create the required number of training dates yourself, depending on how long your training cycle for this program will be. I will pause the recording here, add another training week and some training dates, and then with that data, I will show you the PDF export function. I have filled in the workout tracker fields with test data and assigned colors to the training weeks. After adding or updating any data, make sure to click Save. Otherwise, the changes will not be stored and the PDF export will either not happen or will be generated without the new data. To export, click the PDF button and a document is generated containing the workout log table, ready to print or share for analysis. Now let us look at the PDF export in Body Measurement Journal. The PDF export becomes available after comparing 2 measurement dates. Select the dates you need from the list. Compare them. Then click the Export button. You get a document showing the comparison of all body parameters between the two selected dates. Now let us look at progress charts. Here it is straightforward. Each chart has its own PDF button. Click it on the chart you need, and the file downloads automatically. The nutrition page does not currently have a food diary PDF export function, but it will be added soon. When it is ready, the export process will work exactly the same way as on the other pages we have already covered. I have switched to the trainer account to demonstrate the import function in program templates. This function works exactly the same way as the import in the athlete's training month plan, so I will not go through it in detail again. The video description will have timestamps, and you can go back and rewatch the training month plan import instructions. The PDF export function for program templates has not been implemented at the time of recording and will be added later. Import and export functions make FitTracker flexible. Work with your data where it is most convenient for you and always have access to your plans and results offline. In the next video, we will take a look at the mobile version of the application. Thank you for watching. The link to the application is in the description. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.